Sandwich makers are becoming increasingly popular as busy households look for quick, convenient ways to prepare delicious meals. From crispy paninis to toasted breakfast sandwiches, the right appliance can simplify everyday cooking. This guide evaluates 5 popular sandwich makers based on cooking versatility, build quality, ease of cleaning, heating performance, and overall value, helping you choose a practical option for your kitchen and meal prep routine. Product number 1, Chefman 5-in-1 Digital Panini Press Grill and Griddle. The Chefman 5-in-1 Digital Panini Press is a versatile choice for anyone who wants more than a basic sandwich maker. Its multifunction design allows you to prepare paninis, grilled sandwiches, and other foods using removable and reversible grilling plates. The plates can also make cleanup easier, especially after preparing foods that leave behind melted cheese or sauces. One of its standout features is the ability to open 180 degrees, giving you a larger cooking surface when needed. This can be useful when preparing food for several people. The digital controls also provide a more convenient way to manage cooking compared with traditional stovetop presses. Its combination of versatility and convenient cleaning makes it appealing for households that want one appliance to handle several cooking tasks. If you regularly make sandwiches but also want the flexibility of a grill and griddle, this model is worth considering. Product number 2, Iwano Grilled Sandwich Stovetop Panini Maker. The Iwano Grilled Sandwich Stovetop Panini Maker takes a straightforward approach to sandwich preparation. Rather than using electricity, it is designed for stovetop cooking, making it an interesting option for people who prefer traditional kitchen tools. Its non-stick cooking surfaces are intended to help prevent food from sticking, while also making cleanup easier. The detachable top and bottom pans add convenience when handling the sandwich maker and cleaning it after use. Its compact design can also be useful for kitchens where countertop space is limited. Because it works directly over a gas fire, you have more direct control over the cooking process than with some electric appliances. However, stovetop cooking requires you to monitor the sandwich while it heats, so it may not be as hands-off as an electric model. For shoppers who enjoy traditional cooking methods and want a compact panini press without relying on electricity, the Iwano is a practical option to consider. Product number 3, Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. The Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker is designed specifically for people who enjoy homemade breakfast sandwiches. Its dual cooking chambers allow you to prepare 2 sandwiches at the same time, which can be particularly convenient for couples or families. The appliance includes egg cooking rings that help simplify the process of preparing breakfast sandwiches with eggs. A built-in timer also makes it easier to keep track of cooking without constantly checking the appliance. Its design works well with ingredients such as English muffins and croissants, while its customizable setup gives you flexibility over what goes into each sandwich. Instead of buying a pre-made breakfast sandwich, you can combine your preferred bread, eggs, cheese, and other ingredients at home. This model is less focused on general grilling than some multifunction sandwich makers, but it can be an excellent fit if breakfast sandwiches are your main priority. Its dual capacity is especially useful when preparing breakfast for more than one person. Product number 4, Hot Sandwich Maker Double-Sided Flip Panini Press. This stovetop hot sandwich maker is a simple option for preparing toasted sandwiches and paninis without using a countertop electric appliance. Its double-sided design allows the sandwich to be pressed from both sides, helping create an evenly toasted exterior. The non-stick cooking surface is designed to reduce sticking and make food easier to remove after cooking. Its handle provides a convenient way to hold and operate the pan while preparing sandwiches on the stovetop. One advantage of this style of sandwich maker is its compact construction. It takes up less counter space than many electric sandwich presses and can be stored relatively easily when not in use. It is particularly suitable for shoppers who want a basic sandwich press without complicated digital controls or multiple cooking programs. While it does not provide the versatility of a larger 3-in-1 or 5-in-1 appliance, its straightforward design can appeal to anyone who primarily wants crispy, pressed sandwiches. Product number 5, 3-in-1 Electric Sandwich Maker with Removable Nonstick Plates. The 3-in-1 electric sandwich maker is designed for shoppers who want multiple cooking options in a single appliance. With removable nonstick plates, it can be used for different foods and cooking styles, including sandwiches, paninis, waffles, and griddle-style preparations. Its 1,000-watt power rating provides the heating capacity needed for everyday cooking, while the removable plates can make switching between cooking functions and cleaning more convenient. The dishwasher-safe design is another useful feature for households that want to minimize cleanup time. The appliance can be particularly appealing for smaller kitchens because one countertop device can perform several jobs. Instead of purchasing separate appliances for waffles, sandwiches, and grilling, users can potentially handle these tasks with one machine. If versatility is high on your priority list, this 3-in-1 model is worth considering. It offers a balance between multifunction cooking, convenient maintenance, and everyday practicality.
Choosing the best sandwich maker in 2026 depends largely on your cooking habits and priorities. Multifunction models, such as the Chefman and 3-in-1 electric sandwich maker, offer greater versatility, while the iWano and Flip Panini Press provide simple stovetop cooking. For dedicated breakfast sandwiches, the Hamilton Beach model stands out. Consider cooking style, capacity, cleanup, and features before making your final choice.